Python comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two values of variables and return a Boolean result, that is true or false. They are also called relational operators. So the first one where we have is equal to. We also have not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So let's check it out. Let's create some variables. Should we not? No, let's do it directly so that you can see the comparison just immediately. So the first one we want to do is for the equal to, and that is, let's make it more descriptive. So we say 3 is equal to 5. Okay, we want to know if it is true. Three equal to 5. If you check it, it's 2 equal to, so that is why we are using 2 equal to sign here. This is what is going to be compared. What we have here is just like a test, it's a string. So if I run this, as you can see, 3 equal to 5 is false because it's not true. 3 cannot be equal to 5. Let's proceed. We could do everything at once. The next one is not equal to. Not equal to and not equal to. That is, 3 is not equal to 5. We are going to see if that evaluates to true. Then also we have your greater than and less than. So we have greater than. And the next one is less than. We also have greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. And we have less than or equal to. So basically these guys are just comparing the results for us. So let me remove the equal to sign here so that it won't look confusing. I would advise that as you watch, you should also try to type along with me so you understand what is happening. So if I run everything now let's go. Look at our outputs. 3 is equal to 5. That is a lie. It's false. 3 cannot be equal to 5. 3 is not equal to 5. That is true. 3 is greater than 5 is false. 3 cannot be greater than 5. 3 is less than 5, which is true, evaluates to true. 3 is greater than or equal to 5 is false. 3 is not greater than 5 and is not equal to. 3 is less than or equal to 5 is true because even if it is not equal to 5, it is actually less than 5. So you see, what we've done is we've compared 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We are comparing two values, and if we had assigned 3 to a variable and 5 to a variable, we could have still done this comparison properly. So guys, this is it on Python comparison operators.